I just finished making a video on Media Modifier. I bought it this weekend, $59. It's on special right now. If you can get it at that price, I highly recommend. At $109, which I think is the normal retail price, to me it's a little bit more iffy. But at $59, I highly recommend. And what I wanted to do is show you how I think the tool should be used, because I made a video kind of looking at it against Canva. At least that was my thoughts. The design maker, is it ready? Is it not? And ultimately, I determined that this design maker, it's great. I'm glad that they're working on it. It looks like it's brand new, but Canva, you can't beat it. And this is the video that we made. We made this graphic here, and now I have put this graphic on a Media Modifier mockup, and I've put it into my Canva account, and now we're going to actually download this. But before we do that, I'm going to show you what I really like about this. Look at this. This is that 3D mockup. And you can create these on the paid plan of Media Modifier. Now, they only have so many options. Let me actually show you real quick. It's quite limited right now, but it's enough. So right here we see there's 12. So these are the only 12, but it's enough to promote, because realistically you only need a few of these to promote your videos, like this one here. I like the cell phone or the computer, or maybe even the man holding the sign. And I'm going to use these to actually promote my video. So this one here, we're going to just jump back in. We want to make sure we know our dimensions, which is 1084 by 678. We're going to jump into Canva and we're going to resize it to 1084 by 678. And we'll just copy and resize. And we have our resized image. I want to make sure that everything looks good. This is going on our Facebook page. And that's kind of where I think the general use of this is. So one of the reasons I didn't like Media Modifier's design maker is I feel like Canva's more polished in doing this type of design. But I'm going to go ahead and download this. And once it downloads, I'm going to drag and drop, which this feature right here, this drag and drop, is really, really nice. It's very handy. Lets you go very quick. And then I'm going to click done. And there's our design. So this is a 3D template. And when we're done, we're going to have this, but our image is going to be actually in there. So I think that is really, really cool. We can change some of this stuff. I wouldn't recommend changing too much of it. Now, maybe you can get rid of the background and maybe drop your own in, but I don't really know how that would work, because the way that this one actually works is it creates an actual, I'll just show you. So we're going to download our image, and it's going to create a zipped file, and it's going to have two things in that zipped file. So I'm going to go ahead and show the folder, and then we're going to unzip it, and then we'll jump onto our Facebook account, and we will actually upload it. Let's come here, let's extract all. And now we have these two image graphics. Okay, so we are going to drag the two images in our folder. One of them will be our image and the other one is a depth image. We just drag them into Facebook. And it's going to create the post. The first time I did this, I got a little nervous, but if you just give it about 5 seconds, it then creates the 3D photo, and then it's going to look pretty amazing. At least, I'm very impressed. Like, I just love the way this looks. Look at that. And so we'll paste our caption. I like to make sure the link is higher up in the caption so that they see it without the click more. And otherwise, I think we are good to go. So let's post. And there we go. Here is our post on our news feed. I think that'll stop you from scrolling. Now, in the future, it might be worth testing not having as much text, and we'll try that out. But I'm going to paste my YouTube video down in the comment section. I always like to play around with different ways to share things. This is a brand new page, aiPROFITz. I don't know why this Facebook now does a follow instead of a like button, but then for some people they do a like. I just don't understand it, but that's for another story. I digress. How do you like this 3D mockup tool? Is it cool? Does it get you to stop, scrolling on your timeline? I absolutely love it. I think it is super unique. It is super beneficial. Now, this page here, this is my first ever post on the aiPROFITz Facebook page. So I would say you can head on over there to like it, but we're just getting so many call to actions these days. Like this video if it brought you any value. Leave a comment down below what your thoughts are. Subscribe for more content like this. I have a 7-day email series called aiPROFITz, 100% free to join. Link in the description. My name is Scott with aiPROFITz.com, and we will see you in the next one.